Good morning. This is Frank with Trade Stalkers on Monday morning, March the 7th. It's about 7:40 Central Time. Let's take a look at the market for the next 3 to 5 minutes. I'm going to give you some targets to the upside, targets to the downside, and possible areas of consolidation or areas to avoid. Looks like we opened up Sunday evening somewhere around the 94.75 area, and we just traded right through, you know, a bunch of chop stuff here. The median price, the 24-hour VWAP, a pivot line, and then down here we have major pivot support, which the market traded through eventually at around 4:15 this morning to an overnight low of 1985.50. Last night our overnight high was 1996.25. So as we look coming into this morning, we're just kind of consolidating just below this red dashed line now, which has now become resistance for us. So let's look to the downside first. First of all, this area right through here, this 985 area to the overnight high actually of 96, that's kind of big, but that's going to be a big major consolidation area for the day. So let's be real cautious with that, and I'll tell you how to trade through that. So as we open up this morning, it's back to here. Looks like we're headed back down. We're probably going to come back down to retest this zone. uh, Probably around the 9085 area where the double bottom. So be cautious of that. So right here is a great opportunity if you're trading pre-market is to go short right here and come back down, take this double top or double bottom in the 1985 area. Then take at least target one off, hold it, wait for the pullback into this area, as we'll trade right back through down into this support area 81, down into 79 area, 78 area. So let's keep on going down. As you see, these little lines I drawn in beside that were prior support and resistance over the last few days. So our next target will be down here, the 75 area. We'll take off more targets, or at least 50% off by then. And from here on out, just let runners run. Next target down will be the 7150, somewhere in that area, and then possibly all the way down into this 1960 area. This is going to be a real strong area again today. This 1960 is magic, okay? So we got to be real cautious about it. If we can drive all the way down to this 63 area right here at this red zone, red dash zone, then we are probably going to get a bounce. Probably some bleed through if we go down to there, just down to here a little bit, but we should get a bounce, and this should be long term up, and we should get some gains coming back up. Reversing our targets, skip this target, hold on to your trade. Look for target one coming back up off to the bounce this morning at 75 area and all the way up into the 84 area. And as we cross back over our 24-hour VWAP and our average price, look for those prices to increase, and then wait for a trade through, wait for the pullback above these two lines, wherever that occurs, and then trade the zones and only the zones through the targets above. Being cautious of this area through here in 1987 to 1986 or 96 area. I know that's a big zone, but that's a big consolidation area, so be cautious with it. Now, let's say this market gets us a double bottom right here and reverses right up. We want to wait until this is so close in here. We actually need to wait till we test this double top today and come back and retest somewhere around the 93 area, 92 area. Then we want to look for our long to go, and our first target would be the 2001 area zone right here, followed by the next zone of 0875. After that, next targets are just playing the zones. Play safe today. 216 area and the 227 area for possible targets for today. Again, try to take as much off as possible, 50% at least. Let your runners run and play it safe. If the market changes directions on a dime, anything seems to upset it or make it volatile. So be cautious today and have a great day trading. Come check us out at tradestalkers.com for our latest specials. This is Frank.